See the water, it looks like
Hey,
it's
you know
raining.
what? Your net would work good right here.
Yeah, this would be perfect.
Look at all.
What long? Look at the long. Hey, that fucking porpoise, man, looking behind us. See, they're coming up because it's dark.
Yeah.
You know what else they like? If you had a fire over there,
Yeah.
they'll go right for the fire. Porpoise would go crazy in that, man.
Yeah.
They're all around us. See, there could be another school over there where they're at, but
Right.
they'll find these ones. They can hear them.